My betalicious somebody, hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on when this video take reach you. This na Open Heavens Daily Devotional for Wednesday wey be the 21st day of August 2024. And the topic wey we go dey look today na how to handle persecution. How to handle persecution. Our Bible reading, it dey come from the book of John chapter 15 from verse 18 to reach 21. Make we read them together. If people for this world hate una, make una remember say na me dem first hate. If una be friend with the people of this world, dem go like una as their own people. But if una not be their friend, because I don't choose una from this world, na im make dem no like una. Make una remember wetin I tell una. Servant no dey big pass im oga. If dem suffer me, then dem go suffer una too. If to say dem obey my word, dem go obey una own too. But since dem no know the person wey send me come, dem go do all these things to una because of my name. Our memory verse for today, it dey come from the book of Matthew chapter 5 from verse 44. Matthew chapter 5 verse 44. Make we read am. But I tell una say, make una love una enemies, bless the one wey curse you, use good take finish the people wey no like you, and pray for people wey dey carry suffer una. Make we enter the message wey we get for today. As long as this world still dey exist, anybody wey be true pikin of God go always dey face persecution, because na the devil be the prince of this world, according to John chapter 14 verse 30. You must therefore equip yourself well, carry enough things to take handle persecution so that they no go push you comot for the heavenly race. The devil dey persecute you as God pikin because he want make you deny Jesus Christ. And the only way wey you go fit take pass through this persecution, all this wahala wey the devil dey bring come when you no deny Jesus Christ, na for your leg to stand gidigba inside am. Therefore, before all this wahala trouble go come, and before the devil go start dey attack you, you must make sure say you don put yourself well for inside Jesus Christ. How you take do that one? Study enough of God word, memorize am well, and make you pray well. Then they talk say the depth of tree root na im dey determine whether when rain fall or when wahala come, the tree go still stand. If you no want make persecution bring you down, you must dey really rooted for inside God word. Those wey dey fall for times of persecution na those wey no get better relationship with Jesus Christ and dem suppose to get before the persecution come. Those ones we dey call Indomie Christian. E don tey e get one missionary for foreign land wey be like say dem dey persecute Christian well for that land. On the day of her wedding, the local police for the area come where she dey stay. They come arrest her even inside her wedding gown. Wetin the woman do? He kiss the handcuff wey dey put for her, come tell Jesus say, Jesus, I no know say na so you dey jealous me o. You no even want me to marry another person sef. See how your wedding ring fine. She dey in love with Jesus Christ so tey they even come catch her on her wedding day. E no mean anything to her. She see the handcuff for her hand as wedding rings from Jesus Christ. That na the kind of intimacy wey you suppose get with Jesus Christ, so that you no go deny am when wahala come. When people dey compromise because of small wahala, because maybe dem no gree promote dem for work because of their Christian values wey dem dey hold, I go just shake my head, because I know say these ones, they don't stand gidigba inside Jesus Christ. Christians wey really stand, as they suppose stand, they rejoice when persecution come, because they know say according to Matthew chapter 5 from verse 10 go reach 12, blessings na their portion. Dem dey see persecution as a sign of say dem dey terrorize devil, and the thing dey sweet dem for belle, and because of that kind thing, they go want even do more with their Christian values, so that they go terrorize am the more and the more. Persecution, wahala up and down, dey drive most Christians to do more for God against the kingdom of darkness. For inside Acts chapter 5 verse 41, the Bible say the disciples they rejoice because they say and say that they worthy to suffer shame because of Jesus Christ. Also for inside First Peter chapter 4 verse 13, it tell us say when we rejoice, say we dey take part for inside the sufferings of Jesus Christ. So don't let persecution come dey pull you down, come dey make you dey think one kind. Instead, make it become the fuel wey go make you say, I wan do more for God. Dis na wetin I want make you think about today. You really stand gidigba for inside Jesus Christ? No, take away. You stand gidigba for inside Jesus Christ wey be like say if the wahala of life, if persecution come, you no go deny am. Make you think about dis thing and make you take the right step. Na here we take come to the end of today's message. Don't forget say our topic for today na how to handle persecution. And we take the message from the Open Heavens Daily Devotional wey be say Pastor E.A. Adeboye wey be the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God Worldwide write. I wan use this medium to say thank you to all our subscribers. And if you know say you dey new here, abeg make you no forget, like the video, share the video, subscribe to this channel, and then you turn on the notification bell so that you could receive more and more of this kind of videos from us. Till we go meet again for our next video, make it better for you, my person.